Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for English reading comprehension. Start by actively engaging with the text. Before diving in, quickly scan headings and topic sentences to get a general idea. As you read, highlight important details and jot down short notes in the margins. This active approach helps you connect with the material and retain information more effectively, making your study time much more productive. Next, focus on building your vocabulary and using context clues. When you encounter an unfamiliar word, pause and try to guess its meaning based on the surrounding sentences. If you're still unsure, look it up in a dictionary to solidify your understanding. Regularly practicing with prefixes, suffixes, and root words can significantly boost your ability to decode new terms quickly and accurately. A crucial step is to summarize what you've read. After completing a section, try to rephrase its core message in your own words without looking back at the text. Then, identify the overall main idea of the entire passage and its key supporting details. Regularly practicing this skill, perhaps aiming for a summary that is 1/4 the original length, will greatly improve your comprehension and recall. Finally, consistent practice and review are essential for mastery. Make it a habit to read a variety of materials, from news articles to short stories, to broaden your exposure. After reading, challenge yourself by answering comprehension questions to gauge your understanding. Regularly reviewing your notes and summaries will help solidify the information in your memory, ensuring long-term retention and improved reading skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.